Behind every collectible is a story, and some of those stories sound too strange to be true. From accidental rarities to misunderstood value drivers, the world of collectibles is full of myths, half-truths, and surprises. This week's Collectibles Fact or Fiction quiz digs into the lesser-known truths behind collectible history and value. Let's test how well you really know the stories behind the objects. Question 1. Some of the most valuable collectibles today were once considered cheap promotional items. The correct answer is fact. Many high-value items began as giveaways, bonuses, or mass-market extras. Question 2. A collectible's historical context can matter more than its age. The correct answer is fact. Connection to an event, era, or cultural shift often outweighs simple age. Question 3. Most collectibles become valuable because they were intentionally limited at release. The correct answer is fiction. Many rarities exist because items were discarded, damaged, or overlooked. Question 4. Errors and misprints can sometimes increase a collectible's value. The correct answer is fact. Production mistakes often create scarcity when documented and verified. Question 5. A collectible's value is fixed once it enters the secondary market. The correct answer is fiction. Values shift constantly based on demand, trends, and rediscovery. Question 6. Some collectibles gain value primarily because of nostalgia-driven demand. The correct answer is fact. Emotional connections often drive adult collector markets. Question 7. Two collectibles from the same year and brand always have similar value. The correct answer is fiction. Edition size, variation, condition, and backstory can create huge value gaps. Question 8. Collectibles can lose value if too many pristine examples survive. The correct answer is fact. Scarcity depends on survival rate, not just production numbers. Question 9. Items once viewed as uncool often become highly collectible decades later. The correct answer is fact. Cultural reevaluation plays a major role in long-term collectability. Question 10. Documenting a collectible's story can increase its long-term appeal. The correct answer is fact. Knowledge adds context, trust, and desirability, not just price. How did you do? Collectibles aren't just objects, they're snapshots of culture, history, and human behavior. Drop your score in the comments. Which fact surprised you the most? Follow Collectiblepedia to uncover the stories behind the things people collect and why they matter.